Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, there are 2-3 patterns are forming, similar patterns are forming. So you have to understand looking at this particular chart. Okay, if you look at this particular pattern, we have seen this is the similar pattern, this is a similar pattern that has formed, and when there is a range breakout happens at this level, we have seen it made a sharp rise. Okay, looking at this particular chart, I have clearly explained you there is a higher chances that if the price keep moving above a level of around $2764, a further upside movement we can see. But if the price started keep falling below a level of 2683, a further downfall we can see, because this is a strong support as of now. Okay, the price is above this level, so if it started going below this level $2683, we can see there will be a chances of further downfall. Okay, and if you look at this particular pattern, opposite U pattern is forming, so we can see there will be higher chances of going towards a level of 2671, and from there a further fall we can see towards $2653. Okay, but if it keeps sustaining or a bounce back happens from this level, we can see it can go towards 2713 and then to a level of $2713, and then from there a level of around 2743. This is what we can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Now look at the dollar index, I've clearly explained you that there is an upside movement in the See, looking at the dollar index, I've clearly explained you that there is an upside continuously happening, and I've told you that 102 is a strong level. So once the price started going above this level, we have further upside we can see, and you have seen it has already touched a level of $105.5. Okay, and suppose if the price keep moving above this level, a further upside we can see towards a level of 105.1, and from there it will go towards 105.5, and once started sustaining above this level, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, and then see, when the dollar index started going upside, we will see the price of gold will come down. Okay, and similarly, once the price started falling below this level, so 104.6 is a level we can see a bounce back can come, or if started falling below this level, a further fall we can see towards 104.3, and from there a further downfall we can see towards 103.8. Okay, and once started falling below that particular level, chance of touching 103.3 will be there, and then a further fall we can see towards a level of 102.5, then to a level of $102. Okay, this is what we can see. Now, as I already explained you, dollar index started going upside, we can see the gold price will come down. Similarly, if the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price will come up. Okay, and you have to understand, whenever you start your trade, try to put the SL so your capital will be saved, and once you start and your profit comes, try to trail the SL so your profit will be saved. These two things you have to do. So remember, now a 104.6 level will play as an important role, so a bounce back can come from this level, or if started falling below this level, then we can see it can go towards 103.3 and then further down. Okay, but if started sustaining this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 105.5 also after crossing 105. Now coming back again on the gold price, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, and chances are very high, yes, that if the price bounce back from this level, now it is above this particular resistance, okay, this support. So if it started bounce back from this level, we can go towards the next level of $2697, and once the price sustaining above this level, a further upside we can see towards 2710. Keeping that in mind, as soon as the price started crossing this level and sustain this level, we can see it will cross a level of 2710, which is already being tested. So chances are high it will cross that level and it will go toward $2721. Suppose if the price moving above that particular level, chance of touching a level of 2741 will be there, and from there a further upside we can see a further high towards a level of 2750, which is already being tested. So chances of crossing that level will be there, and then it can go towards 2760. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards $2764, and then it can go towards a level of $2776. Okay, and suppose if the price moving above that particular level, chances of crossing a level of around 2. Keep it in mind that as soon as the price started sustaining above a level of 2776, probability of crossing 2790 will be there, and then it can make a new all-time high. Because this level is already been weak, so chances of crossing this level we can see. So it can go again towards a level of 2800 and then to a level of 2820. So you can trail your SL by $5, so you will capture a big movement towards upside. But now understand, the pattern is showing towards downside. Okay, there is a higher chances. See, if it bounce back, we can see an upside, but if it is not bounce back backing, there is a chances that this particular pattern is supporting towards downside, and this particular support, if it is not sustaining, we can see there is a probability, twice probability, that we can see a further fall. So if the price didn't sustain, it can go towards next level of $2,768. Okay, $2,678, and once the price started falling below that particular level, chance of going towards 2,675 will be there. Okay, and once the price started falling below this level, we can see a strong support of around 2,674. So a bounce back can come from this particular level. If that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $2,666. Okay, and suppose if the price sustaining below this level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 2659, and once the price started going below that level, we can see a level of $2653. Okay, and if the price started going below that particular level, a further downfall we can see towards $2643, and then a further fall we can see towards a level of $2631. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, there is a further downfall we can see, and then there is a probability of crossing a level of 2624 will be there, and once the price started going below that particular level, we can see it will cross a level of 2604, which is already being tested. So chances of further fall we can see, and it can go towards 2597, and then a further downfall. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.